In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a space in Wrike. Archiving a space is a great way to keep your workspace tidy once a project or department area is no longer active, without permanently deleting anything. It hides the space from everyday use, but all of the data remains stored and can be brought back if needed, depending on your permissions. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that you're in the main workspace view. On the left-hand side, you'll see your list of spaces. These are the high-level areas that organize your projects, folders, and tasks, like teams, clients, or major initiatives. To get started, go to the space you want to archive. In the space sidebar, click on the space you're interested in. This will open that space and show you its contents in the main area of your screen. Take a quick moment here to confirm you're in the correct space, especially if you have several with similar names. Archiving the wrong space can cause confusion for your team, even though nothing is deleted. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, move your cursor to the space header at the top of the screen. There, you'll see the name of the space, and next to it, a set of controls. Look for the three dots icon, sometimes called the More or On Options menu. It's usually positioned near the top right area of the space header. Click on these three dots. This opens a drop-down menu with several options related to managing that space, such as editing settings, managing members, or changing appearance. In this list, look for the option labeled Archive Space. Go ahead and click Archive Space. Wrike may show you a confirmation message asking you to confirm that you want to archive this space. Read the message so you understand that the space will no longer appear as active for your team, but the information inside remains stored. If you're sure, confirm the action. After archiving, the space will be removed from your active space list, helping reduce clutter and making it easier to focus on the work that's currently in progress. If your organization's settings allow it, a Wrike admin or space admin can later restore the space if you need to bring it back. And that's all you need to do to archive a space in Wrike. Open the space, use the three-dot menu, and select Archive Space.